Hi, I'm Steve Lococo. I've been a stylist in Beverly Hills for over 20 years. I've worked on film and TV sets, but most importantly, I'm a salon owner myself. I'd like to share with you a few tips in introducing Moea hair care to your local salons. It's very important to understand your marketplace and the type of establishment you're targeting. I'll break it down this way. Consider the neighborhood salon a 2 to 6 station salon, which is usually where the owner also works behind the chair. A mid-sized salon, I would say, is about 8 to 12 stations, where there is usually a manager or a retail buyer who would handle any new product placements. With your larger corporate setups, there's usually a manager and a chain of command as far as the purchasing process goes. In all three situations, I feel it's important to call first and find out who handles the purchasing of new products. My suggestion for the best time to call is early in the week, early in the day. Here's an example of how I would approach the phone call. Hi, my name is Steve Lococo. I have a hair care product called Moea that I think would be a perfect fit in your salon. Allow the person to respond. When would be a good day to share 15 minutes of your time? If someone is not interested or non-committal, I would thank them for their time and let them know that you will drop off a sample of shampoo conditioner with your contact info. I would then follow up again with a phone call 1 week later to hear how they enjoyed the experience. It's been my experience in our salon that if I'm not interested or ready for a new product line, I'll usually tell the consultant. The consultant usually drops by every 2 weeks to say hello and begins to develop a relationship with me and my staff. Eventually, usually 1 to 3 months later, the consultant and product builds credibility and we end up trying it out. If a salon or spa is interested in the Tahitian experience, make your presentation short and sweet. The benefits and ingredients of Moea speak for themselves, so I would begin with the fragrance and feel of the product. Take a drop of conditioner and let them massage it into their hands. While the smell and soothing feel of the product is felt, talk a little bit about the natural ingredients and the key element of the noni seed oil. From there, the client may want to know more about the ingredients or the noni benefits. My advice is to keep it short and simple. You can leave them with a brochure for their leisure. I would elaborate on the positioning of the product, the 3 easy systems that are consumer friendly, and how the Tahitian experience can easily be added to their treatment line and supplement their service dollars. Usually about this time, the question will come up about the investment and the bottom line. Keep it simple. I would talk in terms of Moea and the basic markup only. If the client asks about the company business building program, by all means discuss it, but emphasize the basic direct sales of Moea. In wrapping up, I would leave samples of the product, literature, and a contact number. A follow-up phone call or drop-in should be within 1 week. Another follow-up is to invite them to experience a noni seed treatment as described in a separate segment. This treatment gives them the opportunity to smell, feel, and taste Tahiti, and also ask a lot of questions. If you're a licensed stylist, this treatment would be easy for you to do. If you're not, it is acceptable to ask another stylist to perform the service and you just walk them through it. This only creates more hands in the mix and more people talking about Moea and the Tahitian experience. Some of the things to make sure you do when you approach a salon are be short, kind, and simple with your presentation. Let the fragrance do the convincing. Talk about the easy systems and how they address today's challenges in hair care. For instance, you might say, I'm sure you might have some clients who have challenges with coarse, unruly hair. Well, we've met this demand with our Smooth and Hydrate system. Or you could say, all 3 systems help prevent color faded and leave a natural sheen to the hair. Another approach might be, our styling products also contain a natural sun shield to repel the harmful atmospheric elements that could damage hair texture and color. Share with them some of your experiences with Moea hair care. Talk about the proactive packaging and fun display opportunities with 3 easy systems. Talk about the educational programs, the DVD, the online support education. Salons want to know that they can talk to someone if they have a question about the products or its use. Also emphasize that we are a rich, luxury line with the highest standards of ingredients that does what it says. We are also price positioned to be affordable and competitive with leading salon brands and can offer the retail profit that salons are accustomed to. Always follow up with a phone call, get to know the staff because they are your biggest promoters, and answer any questions as simple as possible. Some of the don'ts that I would shy away from in approaching a salon is Don't interrupt the stylist who is working to talk about the line or the prices. And shy away from promising results. There are too many factors in hair care to absolutely guarantee what will happen on someone's hair. Don't talk about the cost or the opportunity until the end of your presentation unless it's asked before. Salon owners and stylists want prices kept discreet. Prices should not be discussed openly in the presence of clients. Most manufacturers and distributors send in sales associates who are skilled in sales and business building, not hair. It's okay to level with your salon and spa and tell them, look, you know your business, and I know how Moea will make you money. Salons like realism. You know the business of Tahitian Noni. You know how to help salons grow their business. And through the use of Moea hair care and Noni seed treatment. Keep it simple. Always practice your approach and always be confident. With the Moea hair care opportunity, success is in your hands.